You clicked on this video, so it is my responsibility to tell you the truth that why your business is not growing. Why your business is not growing, why you are stuck at the same place, why your revenue is not growing, why your business is not growing, why you are thinking like you all tried all the things, but why you, with the exact reason I will gonna tell you why you are not going, why you are not growing, what is that thing that is stopping you to not growing. So I'm gonna tell you in this video, and you will definitely understand all the things that I said in this video is absolutely true, and if you start working on this you will definitely see the result. So definitely I'm gonna read one quote for you and then we start, and this is quote just for you why you're not growing. As a business owner, your responsibility is not doing work. Your responsibility is to build a team who can create a system and process and automate your business, in which you will act as co-pilot and tell your team as they are driver of your business to the direction you have to go. What it means. If you understand this quote, if you understand these lines, if you understand this sentence, that is enough for you to understand that why you are not growing. Maybe in current situation, you are managing your businesses, you are doing work inside your businesses and you thinking why your business is not growing. It is because you are working inside the business. You are working inside the business. But as a business owner, your main responsibility is not working inside the business. You are just a co-pilot for your business. You have to understand that you are not driver of your business. You are co-pilot. You have to understand you should have a map and vision where you have to go, when you will reach there, what are the, which direction you have to take for your company, which direction you have to take for your business. This is your primary work. You are co-pilot. Think yourself as a co-pilot. You are not driver. Driver is your team. The person who's working inside that. They will drive your business to the direction you wanted to tell them. You have map of your business. Basically understand this. As a business owner, you have map of your business, like where you have to take your business, on which direction you have to go. You have to understand this. Which direction you have to go. You have map of all that. You have vision. You have everything for your business. So that's it. As a business owner, you need just a map of your business and vision and where you have to go. Now, how you will go there? You will go there by drivers, and drivers is your team, your people who working. If your business is not growing, it's mean either the co-pilot is wrong, either the co-pilot don't have any direction, or either the driver who is driving your company are unskilled. They don't know how to drive that so fast so that you will reach to your goals and you will attain the goal, you will win the goal. Your driver is unskilled. There is only primarily two reasons why you are not succeeding and stuck on the same position. That as a co-pilot, you are not understanding your responsibility, and your driver who is working in business, they are unskilled. I will read another thing for you. The best people cost more, but take your business so forward you can't even imagine. And talent is so underrated. Like a person who is getting paid 1 million per year can have capability to give you 3 million in 3 months. You got this what I'm trying to say? So basically, you are co-pilot. You understand that now you have to focus on your map. How well structured, how detailed map you can create for your business, that the best for you. Once you created the map, now you need drivers who can fly your company, you can fly your plane to the place where you want to reach. And if your driver is unskilled, it's probably means that you are hiring less skilled person, you are not paying them enough. If you hire 1 million salary person who is like, if you're paying someone 1 million per year as a salary, then that person have capability to generate 3 millions in 3 months. These types of people also exist in this fucking world. But you not understanding, you trying to save your penny and thinking you will grow your business by your own because you're thinking you are one man army, but you will not. You should go and see all the top of the people who are achieved lots of success. They not running businesses. The people inside the businesses are running. They are just co-pilots sitting on the top of the funnel, sitting at the top of the business, and they are just making map for their company, and all the drivers are skilled. So I will end this video with saying this: your business is not growing because your driver are unskilled, so go hire F1 drivers. I hope you got it. That's it for this video. If you like this video, there is much more video like this for you to help in your journey. And that's it for this video.